You should have seen that. Mom, you should have seen that.
Mm-hmm.
When I was going down, water was going in my face.
Oh my goodness. Ow.
Mom, are you videotaping us?
Yeah.
Mom, I did belly flop. I did belly flop. But I almost did it.
Oh, that was close.
That's what I did when I landed on my side.
Oh, close, Light. You want to get turned all the way around so you're facing the boys.
I got my face.
Classic.
That one hurt. I landed on my right. Don't do that. I tried to do like a corkscrew or something.
That was a good
But
one.
not touching ground. Mike, Mom, did you get that one on video?
Yep.
Mom, did you get that one on famous? Mom, AFB, world's worst wipeout.
Do it. Hopefully without saying that.
Oh, close.
Oh, that was good, Rich.
You finished the 180 at the end.